a big old wall, 18 feet tall. We gotta put in a fireplace. A lot of electrical we gotta run. We're gonna have a TV here, we're gonna have a fireplace, we're gonna have built-in cabinets coming in, we're gonna have lights above. Since this whole wall is gonna have built-in cabinets or a fireplace, we don't need this trim. Now over here in this corner, we're gonna keep this outlet. This will fit nicely in that cabinet, but I'm also gonna put an outlet over here above the cabinet so then we can plug other things up into there. How much does it cost for an electrician to come into your house and move an outlet for you? I'm gonna show you how I save a bunch of money by doing all the legwork for them. Then all I have to pay them to do is just match a few colors together with some nuts. I'm simply gonna tie into this outlet to get power and move it over to the wall on the right. I'm gonna open up this drywall because I gotta make a few holes in the studs. And the easiest way to open up drywall is using the multi-tool. Once that drywall's out of the way, it's super easy to make a couple holes in your studs and run the wires exactly where you want a box to be. And just like that, you're ready for your Sparky to come in and twist a couple wires together for you. Such great news. Our Sparky was here overnight, wired everything up for us, put the drywall back where it was supposed to be, and vacuumed. Maybe this guy is actually not real. Makes sense to start from the top, so let's get up there. All right, now we're up here. Let's brush. Unboxing our electric fireplace. See, I went with electric for a few reasons. Number one, I don't have to run any ductwork for the exhaust or even some gas line. I also really like the idea of having the fireplace on during the summer for the ambiance of it and not having to cook my house. We have a couple other fireplaces in this house, so this doesn't have to be a main backup heat source of any sort. I'm supposed to be installing these lights today. There. And there, but the observant viewer probably sees the problem already. This was kind of planned to be in the middle. I gotta simply move that fixture to the right 12 inches. One thing though to keep in mind is that I know my wife does a lot of change orders. So what I've done is I made sure I had enough here. What I need to do is just put it right over here, pull this off, I'll put a little stud in there, create a hole right here, run my wire through there, and we're good. Looky what I've been up to today. Fireplace is rocking, picture frame TV's up, shiplap is started, all the doors and the countertops are on the fireplace wall. Always seems that I don't have enough hands. Way up on top there, I need to manipulate that board back. But doing that and holding a nail gun is not super safe. So what I do is create a third hand with these clamps. They got a reversible end and now it can push apart. Let's head up and show you how it works. Something like this is so simple, but it makes a world of a difference. And now that it's tight, I can safely nail it off. Not having that extra texture from the shiplap, it actually just feels a little bit naked. I'm really happy that we went with it. It simply gives this room a little bit more depth and warmth. This is almost my favorite room in the house, but it's a close second because of the bathroom that we just finished. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's chat in the comment section. I really do appreciate you guys watching. If you got one more second, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me.